Right now, Bitcoin is breaking the 139-day downtrend, and I will be exactly talk about my price targets, where Bitcoin is heading towards next, and much more. So don't forget to watch today's update video. This is definitely one of the most important videos I have been making in a while, because Bitcoin is finally showing some price action. So I will be discussing the most important charts, and of course, the end of the bear market signal. When will it happen, and how we could be trading this? So don't forget to watch this video till the end. Yesterday, we smashed it above 300 likes. Can we today smash it back above 400 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. So don't forget to snap up that like button right now, and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And actually, once looking at the 1 hour time frame, I straight away want to clarify this. We officially have not flipped bullish yet. However, we are breaking critical resistance on the daily time frame, but I will come back to that in a moment from now on. But like we can see on the 1 hour time frame, this is the most important resistance box to look at right now. You can clearly see from the past, this has been providing very strong support. It has got us rejected here last time around, and currently we're approaching this level once again. And this is also, if we let's say get rejected from over this point onwards and we move down, we are officially still confirming a lower high on the market, and that would confirm a bearish 1 hourly trend, of course. So far we've officially not flipped the trend yet. So far we are approaching the 19.9k. If we do have a significant close above 90.9k, or basically if we see a 1 hour candle close back above $20,000, we are officially confirming a bullish trend on the 1 hour time frame. And then we could also expect that we are going to see more upside on the exact imminent short term. So that is what I will be looking for. If we manage to be breaking back above 20k, the 19.8k slash 19.9k is going to be my level where I will be opening my new long positions on, because this has been historically providing very strong support. And once we do retest it once again, I will be the first one to open a position on it. Also, I mean, we are currently breaking bullish on the higher time frames. However, on the 4 hourly time frame, nothing is really changing yet so far. We're still trading between the most important level of resistance and the most important range of support. And like I said, for the whole period of trading already, once Bitcoin clearly breaches above the upside, we're going to be flipping bullish. Once Bitcoin breaches below the lower side, we're going to be flipping bearish. And this could definitely still take a while before we potentially going to be confirming the breakthrough. So far, we've been trading for over 50 days in this range, and I wouldn't be surprised if it's even going to be taking longer. So make sure to keep your eyes wide open on this range. And if you're subscribed to the channel, you will be the first one to know whether we're going to be breaking bullish or bearish outside of this range. And I mean, if we do break above the top side, it is just going to be confirming we're going to be looking at longs, and also the exact opposite way around if we're going to be breaking the lower side of support. So far, the 4 hourly time frame still confirming a lower high. I mean, we have officially not confirmed a new higher high. If we do confirm a higher high than the previous high on the 4 hourly time frame, that is going to be a signal and a confirmation that we probably will see another retest of the 20.4k region. So that is also the thing I will be looking for right now. So yes, I am bullish on Bitcoin on the higher time frames, but I will come back to that in a moment from now on. But on the imminent short term, Bitcoin officially has not flipped bullish yet so far. Also, the 12-hour time frame, we can currently still spot a small little downtrend getting created over here from the higher side. We've not tested and retested this level yet so far. I mean, maybe right now we can argue, okay, we had a small little retest, we got rejected. So on the 12-hour time frame, Bitcoin is still seeing that resistance getting formed right here, and this is also going to be an important level to be breaking above in order to be flipping bullish. However, if I do look at the daily time frame and look at the daily trend we've been trading in and the level we've been watching, currently we can see Bitcoin has been trading in a downtrend for an approximately 138 days, and exactly yesterday we confirmed the daily candle close above the downward sloping resistance line that has been around for 138 days. So this is definitely a very interesting signal we're currently seeing on the market. Bitcoin is breaking a downtrend that has been around for 138 days, and I mean, I've been waiting very long for this signal, and the technical price target of this exact breakout right here is going to be somewhere around the 23.5k, what is actually above the previous high on the daily time frame right here. So if I remove all my drawings, and if I will be looking at the market structure, I honestly will still say I am not opening a long position yet so far. Why? Is because the market structure on the daily time frame is still looking quite weak. We are still forming officially lower highs, and what I want to be seeing is that Bitcoin actually not even above this high, but Bitcoin needs to, in my opinion, confirm a high above the 22.3k, because if we take out this high right here, I honestly think that is going to be the zone where we want to be breaking above, and that could be also the the signal that we're going to be flipping extremely bullish again, because yeah, this is also the most important confluence zone. So yeah, I will be definitely still approach this market from a technical perspective. And if I approach the market from a market structure perspective, I don't really think we have officially confirmed the bullish breakout. However, we are breaking above this critical downtrend, what is already, in my opinion, a very good development for the price action right now. And for me to open that big long position, because I want to see as much confirmations as possible for me to open a safe trade, I at least want to be seeing a break above this high right here. That is around 20.4k with the daily candles, because if we confirm above this high right here, we basically take out the previous high and an important resistance range, because this is also on the 4-hourly time frame, this range right here, right? So we can see this has been the majority of resistance. If we do break above this level right here, I am going to be confirming a long position on the other time frames as well. So that is the thing I'm currently waiting for me to open a gigantic long position. If you are interested in trading, don't forget to check out BitGet, because if you want to be trading Bitcoin on BitGet, you will be first of all allowed to do it all over the world, also in the US and also in the UK, without VPN. And on top of that, you can claim up to $5,000 in deposit bonus, and you can also claim an extra 400 USDT bonus if you deposit 4k and reach a trading volume of 1 million, what is actually pretty easy to reach on a leverage trading exchange. So make sure to check it out in the link in the description right now. Here, all the money that you will be getting rewarded to your account is completely withdrawable. And actually, if you do sign up a new account, make a deposit, you will also already get a 10 USDT depending on how big or how small your deposit size is going to be. Further on, looking at Bitcoin zoomed in towards that daily time frame, we can clearly see we breached through the downtrend, and this is of course significant in my opinion for the Bitcoin daily time frame. Also, if I do open up the MACD, we can start to see that we first were flipping bearish, then we were flipping bullish. We didn't really knew what to do, and right now we are officially confirming that we're looking towards the upside for the MACD for Bitcoin. Still, I want to be pointing this out. We have not officially confirmed a higher high on the MACD and also not a lower low on the MACD. So far we're still in a compression, and we are yet to see which direction we're officially heading towards. And that will be determining if we either break above the previous high or either below the previous low. So momentum still very low. And if I also open up the Bollinger Bands, I can really see, if I zoom in, remove the drawings, that the Bollinger Bands is very tight. Of course, sometimes in the history of Bitcoin, we tend to see the Bollinger Bands be so narrow, but yeah, the last time it really happened was basically here before the big beginning of the previous bull market of Bitcoin. So right now we are at the stage where volatility is most certainly going to be kicking in. I mean, if I look at the Bollinger Bands, it is indicating that the volatility is going to be kicking in anytime soon here, because the Bollinger Bands width is about $1,400, and I mean, a break towards the upside is going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. Furthermore, if I do look at the 3-day time frame for Bitcoin, I mean, we've been talking about the falling wedge pattern, and this is also the thing I want to be talking about. Currently, we can see an insane reversal pattern getting created here on the 3-day time frame. This is a pattern that actually no one is paying attention towards, and I think you should, because one's also looking at the RSI. The RSI has been climbing significantly. Well, in fact, the price action has been forming a lower low, and this is from oversold conditions, what means that we're forming a bullish divergence from oversold conditions with a falling wedge on the 3-day time frame. What is a typical bullish bias pattern that tends to break out 80% towards the upside. And I mean, what we can currently see is that we're very close by occurring and having that bullish breakout towards the upside. So let's see what is going to be happening right now here. I am extremely excited. The price target of such kind of a falling wedge is all the way towards the upside, around the $31,000 to $32,000. What is going to be an approximately 66% move back towards the upside. So huge opportunities for everyone out there on the channel right now here. If we do confirm the breakout, of course, once we confirm the breakout, I am going to be starting to open, of course, new big trading positions on the BitGet exchange. And of course, once I open up these new positions, you will be the first one to know here on the channel. But I am still waiting for a few more confirmations for the bullish breakout. But yeah, once it gets confirmed, I am the first one that is going to be opening my big new positions on Bitcoin. Furthermore, looking at the price action right now on Bitcoin on a larger time frame, when is the bear market exactly going to be ending? I mean, historically speaking, we can see if we are using the 3-day time frame and flipping on the EMA ribbon, we can see that the EMA ribbon, of course, provides significant resistance on the 3-day time frame, and also in the bull market provides significant support. And once we are testing it, we're basically bouncing from it every single time. And also from the previous bear markets, we've been always getting rejected by the 3-day EMA ribbon, and once we break above it and flip it bullish, it's basically the end signal of the bear market. So last bear market, we saw it as well. Once we flipped above it, that was basically the turning point for the Bitcoin bear market. And currently, of course, I do know, and I'm very clear and aware of it, that we're currently not even close by flipping the EMA ribbon. But what we need to do basically right now in order to end the bear market is break above $25,000. So that is the end goal for me right now here. A break above 25K could be confirming the end of the bear market. So once that happens, you will be the first one to know on the channel right here. So don't forget to subscribe right now, because yes, things are definitely coming towards an end, and I can guarantee you we are closer to the end of the bear market than the beginning right now. And of course, if I also look at the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, remove all the drawings for a second, open up the RSI, I can currently start to see something very interesting occur, because currently on the weekly time frame we're getting one of the most craziest signals on Bitcoin in the history of Bitcoin basically, and that is that of course right now the weekly time frame is confirming a lower low while the RSI is confirming a higher high, and this is of course a bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. And the higher the time frame basically, the more significance it's going to be adding, and since it is from oversold conditions, it's likely to either see a small little rebound towards the upside or a strong one from here on. So this is my expectation on the market so far. Of course, everything can change up here if we do break below the very important level of support on the lower side. If we break this level right here, I'm probably not going to be even look at the long position. So what I explained in this video is basically all my criteria, what I need to see if I want to be opening a big long position on Bitcoin, or the criteria if I want to be going short on Bitcoin right now. So thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video. If you actually want to learn how to make passive income in the industry, don't forget to either check out the copy trade video or the trading algorithm video here popping up in your screen right now. So thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video here on the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.